Hello, Professor. I'm recording this video for my week two assignment, and I'm gonna share my screen and I'm gonna start my presentation. Yes, I'm Yusuf, Kenan, Akturk, and our topics for week two is challenge in production management in the context of Industry 4.0. So, firstly, I will start with some challenge and what is the uh, process of this challenge for the production management in the industry 4.0. So firstly we have to know that what can be cause for this challenge, and what can we do, or what how can we call a challenge for the industry 4.0. So generally, if we know that Industry 4.0, the fourth industrial revolution, is transforming the manufacturing landscape with the integration of advanced technologies like Internet of Things, artificial intelligence, and robotics. While this revolution promises significant benefits, it also presents a host of challenges for production management. So, Industry 4.0, the current pace of the industrial revolution, is marked by the integration of the advanced technologies like IoT, AI, and robotics. While it promises significant benefits, it also presents several challenges for production management. So, as we see on the right side of the screen, there are some kind of challenge for the manufacturing industry 4.0. What are these? It can be from the culture, mindset, education, workforce, security, some reason of the technology, and some data management integration. So, what are the technological challenge? So, I divided on the three different topic, which are this one technological challenge, organizational challenge, and operational challenge. And I will give you some more details about that. Firstly, I'm going to start with the technological challenge. It's the uh, most common challenge for the industry. And also, the first thing for the technological challenge is the data security. As we argue on the previous class, the professor asked us to who is the owner of the Gmail, or who is the owner of the your email. So, as all of us told the professor that okay, we have all of us has some account for the any email account, but the privacy is the key role for the any process of this. So that's why there are some challenge for the privacy and the security. This is the uh, first and most important challenge as a technological challenge. The massive amounts of the data generated by Industry 4.0 systems make the prime targets for the cyber attacks. So protecting sensitive data and ensuring compliance with the data privacy regulation is crucial. And the second headline for the technological challenge is interoperability and standardization. Integrating diverse system and technology from different vendors can be complex and time consuming. Lack of some standardization protocols and data formats can hinder seamless communication and data exchange. And the last title for the technological challenge is the scalability and the flexibility. As production needs fluctuate, it's essential to have systems that can adapt and scale quickly. So ensuring the technology solution can keep pace with evolving business requirements is a significant challenge. And then the second challenge is the organizational challenge. As you see on the right side, so there's some number from 1 to 4 that can be the not real but like unreal process. The first one is the skill gap. The adaptation of the new technologies requires a workforce with advanced digital skills. So that's why we have to training and upskilling employees to work with AI, Internet of Things, and the robotics can be costly and time-consuming process. This is the really good point. And the second one is a cultural resistance to change. So as we know that this is the process. The professor told us the first things we start with industry 1.0 and then 2.0, 3.0, and the last things is that 4.0. So overcoming resistance to change and fostering the culture of innovation can be difficult, especially in traditional manufacturing environments. So employees may be hesitant to adopt new technologies, fearing job displacement or increased workload. And the last thing for this is complex decision making. The vast amount of the data generated by 4.0 system can overwhelm decision makers. And developing effective strategies to analyze and interpret data to make informed decision is a crucial, like the previous one. And then the other challenge are called for operational challenge. And it's start with the real-time monitoring and the control. So ensuring real-time monitoring and the control of the production process requires robust and reliable systems. Any disruptions or failures can lead to significant production losses. And the second key is that supply chain integration. So integrating Industry 4.0 technologies into the entire supply chain from suppliers to customers can be complex. So ensuring seamless communication and coordination across the supply chain is essential. And the last thing is that quality assurance and the control. Maintaining high quality standards in a highly automated environment requires advanced quality control systems. And identifying and addressing quality issues quickly is crucial. And we can see on the right side that the digital manufacturing uh, steps. So it start with the design. Uh, it start with the design and the second step is the buy, build, sell, and maintaining. And this is the explanation of impact of advanced technologies on production process. Advanced technologies have significantly transformed production process, leading to increased efficiency, improved quality, and greater flexibility. And we have to think about that there's different part of the some production process. And then the first thing is the automation. Automation technologies such as robots and automated mechanisms can perform tasks with greater speed and precision than human workers, reducing production time and errors. And the other thing is that IoT, which is called Internet of Things. Internet of Things can optimize supply chain operation by tracking inventory levels, predicting demand, and streamlining logistics. And the last thing is the digital manufacturing. Digital manufacturing generates vast amounts of the data that can be analyzed to identify trends. This is a good point because we have to follow the trends and then we have to analyze it and then we can get analyze result and we can do more things after the analyzing and optimize process and make informed decision. And the other thing is that analytics and real-time monitoring in production management. So when these technologies are combined, they create smart factories that are highly efficient, flexible, and response to changing market demands. For example, a smart factory might use IoT sensors to monitor equipment health, automate tasks with robots, and optimize production schedules based on real-time data. And data analytics and real-time monitoring have become indispensable tools for optimizing production management. And what are the essential skills and competencies for production manager in Industry 4.0? So there are some difficult skills that we can use on the production process. And there are of course some requirements for the this manager's features. And the first thing is the technical skills. And let me start with the technical skills. So, a strong understanding of digital technologies, including IoT, AI, and automation, is essential. We know that. And the ability of the collect, analyze, and interpret large data set to identify trends and make informed decision. And the second one is interpersonal skills, effective communication skills to collaborate with diverse stakeholders, including engineers, technicians, and executives. And the last thing is strategic skills. Um, we are always saying that gathering information, analyze, and getting results. So that's why identifying and mitigation potential risks associated with the technological advancement and operation challenge. So as you see on the right side, uh, there are some requirement for the managers, which is that consists of the technical and personal. And we can also add this strategic skills as well. And so let's we give this some recommendation and strategies. We have to invest in workforce upskilling and training. Let me think about it. Implement regular training programs to help employees learn to work with new technologies such as IoT, AI, and robotics. So equip employees with a variety of skills to increase their adaptability and versatility. And we have to adapt smart technology and automation together. So invest in automation to reduce human error, improve efficiency, and minimize operational costs. And also we have to keep that ensure cybersecurity and data protection. Protect sensitive data with strong encryption, firewalls, and regular security audits. And we have to integrate advanced data analytics as well. So use big data analytics to gain insights into the customer behavior, to production trends, and any supply chain efficiencies. And we have to enhance collaboration with technology providers. So work with providers to tailor solution that meet specific operational needs and the challenge. And the last things that I can give is some recommendation or strategy as a strategies, enhance supply chain integration. Build a collaborative supply chain ecosystem that shares data and insights among partners to improve efficiency and resilience. So, what is the conclusion? In conclusion, Industry 4.0 brings a new technology that can greatly improve production, but it also comes with challenge. So for week two, we we had focus for the challenge for the Industry 4.0. So managers needs to make sure employees have the right skill, protect against cybersecurity threats, and stay flexible as technology change quickly. To succeed, production managers should focus on training their teams using data to make smart decisions and investing in the right technology. Partnering with tech experts and adopting automation will help make production faster and more efficient. So, as a conclusion, the best approach is the combine technology with strong human skills. By doing this, organization can handle challenge more easily, stay competitive, and keep growing in the fast-paced world of modern manufacturing. This is my reference, professor. Thank you so much for listening me.